What's up, guys? It's your boy Dr. W. Wes here with another guitar pro tip. And today, but first, make sure to like and subscribe and get on my Patreon if you want full personalized lessons. Okay, I accept $15 per hour, per minute lessons. So if you're into that kind of thing, go to my Patreon and subscribe. But so this pro tip I'm going to teach you guys today, it's all about the wrist position. When you're playing guitar, you don't want to be doing that shit. That's how you get carpal tunnel syndrome. That's how you mess up your wrist real quick. What you should do is try to keep your wrist as straight as possible. It's like when I play guitar. When Mr. Rockstar Wes over here plays the guitar. See how my wrist is mostly straight? I mean, it curves a little bit, but it's mostly straight. All right, you want to try to avoid doing this if you can. I mean, when you're starting out, you're probably gonna do this because it's the only way you can actually get the frets fretted. And also, like, you're also told to use the tips of your fingers, and it kind of seems like the only way to use the tips of your fingers, like the tops of your fingers, is to bend your wrist. But just bear in mind that you should be trying to straighten this out as you go on, because it'll just result in less hand strain. And when you get better, and after a couple of years or so of playing, you'll be able to keep it pretty much straight. And I even play occasionally. I'll play with it bent back like this, which is actually probably the easiest way to play. But that's only when I'm doing not bar chord shapes. If I'm doing a shape like this, which actually is the same chord but a different way to finger it, it's pretty much straight, if not bent a little bit backwards. But like an E chord. G chord is actually, G chord's a little bent. But yeah. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Remember to like, rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share on Facebook, share with your boss, share with your grandma, with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, with your dog, anybody that you think would be interested in learning about guitar stuff. And yeah. Peace out, Girl Scout.